Mendeleev's periodic table. In 1868, a Russian scientist, Dmitry Ivanovich Mendeleev, observed a repeating pattern of chemical properties in the 63 elements that were known at that time. Newland's law of octaves laid the foundation of Mendeleev's research work. Mendeleev's periodic table has 8 groups, that is the vertical columns of the periodic table, and 6 periods, the horizontal rows of the periodic table. The groups have 2 subgroups, A and B. Properties of elements within the subgroup are similar to each other, but the properties of 2 groups may differ from each other. Period 4, 5 and 6 are subdivided into 2 series, first series and second series. Properties of elements within a subseries are similar to each other, but the properties of 2 series may differ from each other. Merits of Mendeleev's periodic table. He could classify all the 63 elements discovered at that time on the basis of similarities in properties. The classification of elements into groups and periods made the study of a large number of elements easy and systematic.
Mendeleev's periodic table helped in the correction of atomic masses of certain elements on the basis of their position in the periodic table. For example, he invented the position of cobalt, nickel, vanadium and chromium in the table.
He left gaps for yet to be discovered elements. He predicted properties of undiscovered elements and thus helped in the discovery of these elements later on.
He named them by prefixing a Sanskrit numeral eka, 1, Dvi, 2, 3, 3, etc. to the name of the preceding similar analogues element in the same group. For example, eka boron, eka aluminium, eka silicon, eka manganese, Dvi manganese and eka tantalum.
All these elements were discovered later and did have properties similar to those predicted by Mendeleev.
For example, when noble gases were discovered later in 1894 by William Ramsay, they could be placed in a new group without disturbing the periodic table designed by Mendeleev.
Demerits of Mendeleev's periodic table. A correct position could not be assigned to hydrogen. It has properties similar to both alkali, metal and halogen. Isotopes of an element could not be assigned definite positions in Mendeleev's periodic table, although the isotopes are based on atomic masses. Although most of the elements were placed in the order of increasing atomic masses, increasing order could not be maintained in all cases. For example, cobalt, atomic mass 58.93, preceded nickel 58.71, tellurium 127.6, preceded iodine 126.90, but he could maintain similarity in properties. For example, TE resembles SE. I resembles BR. "14 lanthanoid elements and 14 actinoid elements could not be assigned any position in Mendeleev's periodic table." Prediction of the number of elements to be discovered between two given elements was difficult because the atomic masses of consecutive elements did not increase in a definite pattern.